Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. This morning in one of my classes we ended up talking about comedy and comedians, and one of my students asked me how I felt about Ricky Gervais. I don't know how many of you know him, but he's quite a famous English comedian. And I said that when he first arrived on the scene with The Office, I thought he was a breath of fresh air. I found the first couple of series of The Office very, very entertaining. But after he moved to Hollywood, I think the fame and the money went to his head a little bit, and his comedy became cruder and a lot more cruel. And these days, to be honest, a little bit of Ricky Gervais goes a long way with me. If you say that a little bit of something goes a long way, you basically mean that you only need a small amount. That's all you need to achieve a particular result or a particular effect. If I say that, a little bit of him goes a long way these days, I basically mean I can only handle him in small doses. You might use it in a more negative way. For example, Nirvana, the cult 90s rock band. It's not that I don't like them. I really loved them at the time. But these days, I feel like I've heard it a million times before. And a little bit goes a long way for me. I only need to hear 1 or 2 songs a year, and that's enough. It can also be used in more positive contexts. So, a little bit of flattery can go a long way. It can endear you to people. And maybe you believe, as I do, that a little bit of kindness goes a long way. It's also something you might sometimes say when you're cooking, for example. So maybe you're cooking something spicy and you're using some chili, and you might say to the person that you're cooking with, hey, go easy with that chili. It's quite strong, yeah? A little bit of it goes a long way. You don't need very much of it to get the spice that you require. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use a little bit goes a long way.